In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an Exness Forex account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to my.exness.com, and then here you'll be able to either sign in if you have an account already, or create an account in case you don't have one yet. So if you're trying to actually figure out how to open one, I'm assuming you will have to create an account and you don't have one yet. So you have to click over here, put in your country, email, password, and then if you have a partner code, you can put that in as well. And then you have to agree with all the terms over here, and then you can click on continue or continue with Google. Okay, after you do that, you're gonna have to put in a bit more of your information, and after you're done, of course, just follow the setup process. It's very simple. Just put in all the info that it's required, and then after you do that, you'll get access to your portal over here, to the main dashboard inside Exness. Now, to open an account over here, you want to click on trading, top left, and click my accounts. And here you'll be able to see you can open up either a real or a demo account. So I'm going to showcase this with a demo account, but you're free to open a real account as well. But for this, you'll have to first verify your account. Now, if you want to click on open account over here, you can go ahead and select your accounts. You have the option to choose between standard and professional accounts as well. And then down here at the bottom, whenever you select one of these, click on continue. Again, select if you want a demo or a real account, and then after that, select your currency, starting balance, nickname of the account, the leverage you want, and then the platform you want to use. So you can either use MT5, MT4, or Exness and their web trader. So that's completely up to you. If you want tutorials on how to connect accounts to MT5 or MT4, I have a tutorial on that on my channel, so make sure to check that out too. So after you basically select what you want, you'll be able to see you now have your accounts over here. And then to go ahead and start trading with this account and start trading Forex, just click on trade wherever over here, and then select Exness terminal from the list. This is going to take you to their trading platform, to the web terminal from Exness. And here you can then just go ahead and on the left where it says instruments up here, you want to click on that, and then under favorites, whatever it says over here, open up the drop down menu and just go ahead and look for basically any of your Forex you would like to trade. So for example, if I go to majors over here, you can see we have some of these. We have the AUD, USD, Euro USD, etc. And you can just click on it. It's going to pop up over here, and then the markets are currently closed. But if they aren't, you'll be able to go ahead and see this kind of trading panel where you can buy and sell, set the volumes, take profits, stop losses, and then confirm your buy or sell orders. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.